Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2011 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 V-twin torque, liquid cooled, fuel injected, beautiful custom style, midnight dark, cherry red. It's got those beautiful aluminum rims, big tire in the back, skinny one up front. Passenger backrest, only 16,600 miles on this gorgeous belt drive, fuel injected V-twin cruiser. $34.99. You got to be kidding me. This bike is not going to last. Come by, check it out. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.